Out new information this morning after recent hail damage hit our area. Companies may be evaluating the roof of your home or your business, but make sure you ask to see their solicitor's permit if they come to your door. Now, no building permits are required to replace any existing roof material like shingles. The only time you need to do that is if they are repairing some structural damage or expanding your roof line. Replacing siding due to hail damage is also considered maintenance, so you don't need a permit to do that. But if they're going to be up on your roof, make sure to ask to see their insurance.
You may also be dealing with hail damage to your vehicle. So we spoke with an expert who told us, do your homework. Make sure your car is in the right hands.
If you do have hail damage, you notice there's dents on your vehicles, contact your insurance company. They're going to send you to a reputable body shop or a preferred vendor of a paintless dent repair company, just like Lithia Paint and Auto Body, where you'll see we've been contracted by them, which were IHE instant hail estimates, to be able to look and assess your car in a professional manner. Well, we've noticed that everybody is hit with hail damage. Don't panic. It can be fixed. It can be brought to a brand new condition without having to paint your vehicle, which is an awesome option for you. They're ranging from 100 dents on a car to a couple thousand. And then different sizes too, where they're size of a dime all the way up to softballs. We've seen so many different sizes of dents. It's unbelievable. Making a mistake of going to the wrong company that's a fly-by-night company, I hate to say it, but people will drill holes in your vehicle to get done faster. It is the absolute wrong way to fix a vehicle. That's why you go to the reputable companies. They take the extra time to fix it like they would fix their own car. You will ruin your car if someone's drilling holes in it. Sorry.
So BRANSTROM says the reason someone would drill into your car is to get an easier access to the underside of your car's paneling to pop out those dings. Well, then they would fill in the holes and you would have no idea. And that will weaken your car's overall structural integrity and put you at greater risk during a crash.